In triangle RST above, point W not shown lies on light segment RT. What is the value of cosine of angle RSW minus the sine of angle WST? So since point W is not shown on this, why don't we go ahead and create it? I'm going to just drop it right here. Let's name this point W. And there's mention of an angle named RSW. So RSW, we have to drop it down here. That means it's this angle right here. And then there's mention of another angle, angle WST. WST would of course be the other angle. Let's go ahead and draw it right here. And one thing that we can see right off the bat is that those two angles add up to 90. In other words, they are complementary. So I think we've discovered the concept that this question is looking for. It's trying to see if you remember the angle complements theorem, which stated the following. If two angles add up to 90 degrees, the cosine of one of them, so let's say the cosine of one angle, let's call it A, would have to be equal to the sine of its complement, B. Then, therefore, if we know the value of cosine A to be maybe 1/7, then the sine of the angle that's complementary to it will also be 1/7. This is to say that this number, cosine of angle RSW, is going to be equal to the sine of angle WST. Therefore, something subtracted from itself will be 0. So the answer to this has to be 0.